here! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing my skincare routine video. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ginagamit ko sa mukha ko. Kasi marami nagtatanong anong gamit mo and all that. And para masagot siya sa isang video. So yeah, I decided to do a skincare routine video. I don't use a ton of products on my face. And ito talaga yung mga ginagamit ko on a daily. Some of it I use twice daily. I will go through it kapag napakita ko na yung product, yung details, kung kailan ko sila ginagamit, and how often, and ish like that. I will also show you clips of me applying some of this on my face, just so you have an idea kung paano siya ina-apply or kung paano ko siya ginagamit. And also, I will put the list of all the products that I use in here, and yung mga links din kung saan nyo sila makukuha, just in case gusto nyo din i-check sila, diba? So yeah, I will go ahead and start. Yung skincare routine ko, nagsisimula siya when I take my shower. So it's either sa umaga ako naliligo, or sa hapon, or ewan ko. Kahit na anong oras yan ng araw, doon nagsisimula yung skincare routine ko. So yung pinakaunang ginagamit ko sa mukha ko is a cleanser. And yung cleanser na ginagamit ko is the Cetaphil Oily Skin Cleanser. And if you guys have been watching me for a while, alam nyo na hindi na oily yung skin ko. Yes, I still get like a little oily, not as oily as before, pero sobrang minsan na lang. I was struggling before nung meron akong oily skin kasi konting kibot ko lang ang shiny na ng mukha ko. Wala lang akong ginawa ang shiny na ng mukha ko. Dito, hindi na masyado. Nagsha-shine lang siya kung meron akong highlight, ganun. Sobrang gusto ko yung Cetaphil because it's very gentle sa skin. As in, sobrang gentle niya sa skin. Yung ginagamit ko pang apply nito is my Vanity Planet, ano ba tawag dito? Brush spinning churvalo. It's battery operated, pero magagamit mo siya during the shower. So, okay lang siya mabasa. You know what I mean? Hindi ka makukuryente kapag ito yung gamit mo. Meron siyang iba't ibang klase ng mga brush head. Yung ginagamit ko, I think it has 4 brush heads. I don't really remember. Pero yung ginagamit ko is dalawa lang. Ito, yung gray, yung base niya is for like scrubbing. Ito naman, yung white, yung naka-attach sa kanya ngayon is for cleansing. And ito yung ginagamit ko almost daily. Ito, ginagamit ko lang twice a week. Meron akong schedule actually. Ginagamit ko to every Monday and Friday. Ito, parang mas harsh yung bristle niya. Hindi siya kasing soft ng cleanser na brush. Yung Cetaphil kasi, kapag kamay ko lang yung ginagamit ko, hindi siya ganun kamabula. Pero, if I use my brush, parang mas feel ko talaga na nagki-cleanse siya kasi mas nakikita ko na mas mabula siya and all that. That's during shower. After ko na mag-shower, dinadry ko yung mukha ko, and then, I apply my Skin Deva 20% of vitamin C and E. So, it's a serum. I use 4 drops of this on my face kasi yun yung recommended nila, 4 drops daw. Actually, I lied. Sabi dito, apply 2 to 3 drops. Siguro okay lang. I've been using 4 drops of this one. And yeah, nilalagay ko lang siya sa face ko. And then also, sa neck ko. Sabi dito, it's super antioxidant, neutralizes free radicals, brightens, and evens tone. Binigay lang sa akin to actually ng Skin Deva. I will leave their links below if you guys are interested. Pero I'm pretty sure something similar will work. Like something with vitamin C and E in a serum will work. So after ng serum, I use a moisturizer. I use the Neutrogena Naturals Multivitamin Nourishing Moisturizer. You do not need a lot with this, as in konting-konti lang kailangan mo. Sobrang konti lang goes a long way with this one. So, same thing, I also apply this on my face and on my neck. After I put on my moisturizer, I apply my Garnier Brightening Eye Roll-On under my eyes. I have been using this for a long time. Nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako, ito na yung gamit ko. This will not brighten your under eyes overnight. I have been using this again for so long, and wala na akong dark under eye circles. With this one, you need to be patient. You need to wait. And hindi naman siya ganun kahirap. Like, all you have to do is to apply it under your eyes. It's a roller ball. It feels really nice as well. Very cooling. Napaka-relaxing niya ilagay sa under your eyes. And yeah, naging part na talaga ng routine ko na ilagay siya sa under eyes ko. And I've had this for, I don't don't know how long. Actually, bumili na ako ng bago. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin nagamit yung bago ko. Kasi meron pa siyang laman. Hindi ko alam kung kailan siya mauubos. So, it's very, very sulit. Ganon. And then, sa gabi naman, before ako matulog, I always make sure na I-apply something moisturizing sa lips ko. It's either a lip balm. In my case, right now, I use the Lucas Popo ointment. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa lips ko. For me, it really helps. Especially dito na sobrang nagda-dry yung lips ko. I was using a lip balm before, just a regular lip balm. And feeling ko kailangan ko ng like mas moisturizing pa. So I switched to this and I'm glad I did because this is actually really good for your lips. So ito lahat ginagamit ko every single day sa mukha ko. And then for days like now na meron akong makeup sa mukha ko, I always make sure na wino-wash ko yung face ko before ako matulog. Naging part na din ng routine ko yan. Noon, sobrang tamad ko. Hindi ko na wino-wash yung face ko at all. And now, hindi na talaga akong komportable matulog na may makeup. So, I always make sure na malinis yung mukha ko before ako matulog. And you guys know that if you watch my vlogs, you know that kapag may makeup talaga ako, I always make sure na I wash my face. Kapag may makeup ako pero wala akong mascara, I just proceed to using my cleanser with this brush and cleanse my face. Pero kapag meron akong mascara, and all of my mascaras, or most of them, waterproof, so kailangan ko talaga i-remove yung mascara ko with an oil-based makeup remover. This one is not a makeup remover, I think. It's just a cleansing oil, pero I use it as a makeup remover because it works naman. This one is from Celotex. So what I do is I apply this on a cotton pad and then remove my mascara with it. Minsan, kapag meron akong liquid lipstick, I use this as well on my lips. Like, after ko i-wipe off yung mascara ko, ginagamit ko din siya sa lips ko. Same cotton pad kasi ganun ako. So, after ko yan i-apply, I proceed to my usual routine na nilinis ko yung face ko with this. And then my serum and moisturizer, you know. Pero, twice a week, I use this bad boy right here. It is a facial scrub and look how cute that is. Sobrang cute din ito. Asan na? Sobrang cute din ito kasi meron siyang parang maliit na spoon para gamitin mo to scoop out the product and apply on your face. Hindi ko makuha yung spoon. Nandyan yung spoon. Nakadikit siya sa lid. I do not know how to take it off. Hindi, ayaw niya magpakita today. Pero I did film a clip of me showing you this. So yeah, with this one, you do not need a lot at all as well. Same with the moisturizer. So yung ginagawa ko, nilalagay ko lang siya sa face ko using the small spoon. A really cute freaking spoon. Nirarub ko siya sa skin ko very, very gently. And then, meron siyang mga, ano ba tawag dun sa mga yun? Basta makikita nyo sa clip, meron siyang ganung ganap. Feels really nice on the skin. It smells amazing. As in, sobrang gustong-gusto ko to. And it's supposed to brighten your skin and I feel like it did brighten my skin naman. Again, I use this twice a week. Gumagamit din ako ng mask. Alam nyo na yan if you watch my vlogs. I only have 5 left. Yung mga mask ko, nakukuha ko sa Mask Maven. It's a subscription box. This is no way sponsored by Mask Maven, by the way. Yes, they do send me BB Bag and Mask Maven for free, but they're no way paying me to feature their products on my channel. But I do use their mask and I love their mask. I use mask 2 to 3 times a week. Wala akong like MWF, wala akong schedule sa mask ko. Kung gusto ko lang siya gamitin. Usually, I apply mask on the weekend. I do not know why. That's just how I do it. And yun lang yung skincare routine ko. And yes, hindi ako gumagamit ng toner because I just don't use toner. I do not know why. Siguro it's just something na parang mag-a-add lang ng steps sa skincare routine, nakakapagod na, you know. So, yeah, hindi ako gumagamit ng toner. And so far, so good naman. Like, I haven't been using toner for so long. And okay naman sa akin. Wala naman akong problema. Okay naman sa akin na walang toner sa buhay ko. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope nasagot ko yung mga tanong nyo, kung ano yung ginagamit ko and all that ish. Please do like this video if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you guys on my next one tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye!